Hello friends, this is Anita Mendiratha. Let us discuss about objects in R. The very basics of R is creating objects. So suppose I need to calculate an area of a rectangle. We know the formula is length into breadth. And I need to create two objects here, which is L for length and B for breadth. For this, I need to understand the assignment symbol, which are less than followed by a minus sign and equals to. So it is highly recommended to use less than followed by minus sign and not equal to, because otherwise it might create confusion. So let us create objects L and B for length and breadth. So let me assign a value of 12 to L and a value of 16 to B. As you will see here that I have executed this command of creating objects for L and B. Accidentally, I have created it 2 times, but does not matter, because if you see the global environment tab here, the values have been created B and L only once. So it has assigned a value of 16 to B and a value of 12 to L. Now suppose I want to print L and B, so I can simply type in L. It gives me an output of 12. So it means it has assigned a value of 12 to L. Similarly, if I want to use formally the print command, I can say print L. It will give me a return value of 12. So if I want to print value of B, I can type in print B. So I can see that 16 is assigned to B. Now suppose I want to calculate an area of rectangle. I type in L multiplied by B and I hit run. So it gives me a value of 192. So my area of rectangle is 192 square meters, if suppose the units are in meters. Here we may see that L and B are the objects that is stored in R. So objects basically is used to describe the things stored in R. So it includes as simple as variables and as complicated as functions and vectors. We are getting our objects L and B stored in our workspace. So if you want to see the variables which we have stored in this workspace, we may write ls parentheses. So when we type in ls parentheses, it gives us that we have stored variable B and L in this workspace. Another evidence of finding objects in this workspace are in the global environment tab, where we may see that L and B are the only two values which are stored in our workspace. If I suppose want to see whether any variable h is also stored in my workspace, I type h. And gives me this error that object h not found. So because it was not stored in my workspace. Like in my other videos, I have shared the R script in the description box below. You may find it there. I hope it is helpful. Thanks for watching.